Hello there, Farm Beauties. So today we're going to be doing a product review, and the product that we are going to be reviewing is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow line. It is the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops, as well as the Watermelon Glow PH and BHA Pore-tight toner. Now I received these as my birthday gift from Sephora, and so I actually really do like these, and so I was like, let's talk about it. So first thing first, let's start off with the Watermelon Glow PH and BHA Pore-tight toner. Now online the bottle is real cute, like the full size bottle is really cute. Like, look at this. Hold on, let me show you. Like, that's really cute. I actually like how that looks. So the full bottle is cute. Okay, it does retail for $34 on Sephora, and so let's get into what this does for your skin. So this has hyaluronic acid in it. It's hydrating, it's good for uneven texture, it's good for pores. It also has salicylic acid in it. So gentle PHA and BHA infused watermelon toner that hydrates, gently exfoliates skin, and minimizes the appearance of pores. This is for normal, dry, combination, and oily skin. Okay, and how of course you would use this is you can use this in the morning and at night after cleansing your face. You want to dispense this into your palms and gently press into your face and neck until fully absorbed. It can also be applied with a cotton pad, but personally I love the consistency of this. It is a different consistency, you guys will see, and it is not like your typical toner. So I would not use a cotton pad with this. I would straight up use my hands. Okay, you definitely want to follow up with sunscreen during the day. And because this is an acid, you want to make sure you do that. I tend to typically forget, so I use this more so at night because usually I'm not going to grab for a sunscreen during the day. I'm just being honest, but you should. Oh, also, this does come in 3 different sizes. So the mini is $15. The 5.7 ounce is $34, and then the limited edition size, what, they look like they're the same size. I don't know what that's about. I guess the bottle color. So the biggest size is 5.07, that is $34, and then they have a limited edition. I don't know, is that for like the Pride month in this rainbow? I think so. But anyways, yeah, so that's a Glow Recipe pH toner. So now we're gonna jump into the Dew Drops. All right, so this is the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops Serum, and it retails for $35. It does have a mini size that is $20, and they have a value size that is $49 that is currently out of stock. Okay, so this is a breakthrough multi-use highlighting serum that hydrates and visibly reduces the look of pigmentation for a dewy reflective glow without mica, glitter, or gray cast. This is for normal to dry skin, and of course how you want to use this is that you will pump 1 pump before moisturizer to get long-lasting glowing results, which serum should be used before moisturizer always. And for priming, you apply 1 or 2 pumps at the last step in your skincare routine before makeup. Okay, all right, so it could be a primer for makeup as well. See, I didn't know that. I only use it for my skin, not makeup, so that's also good. Is that why my makeup has been looking so good lately? Maybe we on to something. Or you can mix with foundation. See, I didn't know about all this. I didn't read that far. I use it just for my skin, but you can mix this in your foundation. I don't see myself doing that because I'm already oily prone, so I'm not really looking for hydration, so I would not do that. And for a double highlight, pat a drop below complexion makeup and layer with a highlighting powder on top. So they give you a lot of like makeup tips. So this is really great for giving you a glow, and it also works well with makeup. Let's jump into how I feel about these products. Okay, I am really happy I got my hands on these products. I actually really want to go and get a full bottle of these, and I've been using it consistently as you can see, and I have noticed a difference in like my skin, and I really do like the quality of these products. Now for the Glow Recipe Watermelon, what really gets me about this product is the consistency. I like how it's kind of different. It's not like your typical like serum. It has a little bit of like a syrupy like texture to it. I kind of like that. It doesn't leave me sticky. It doesn't burn, none of that. It goes on very well, and it does not dry you out or anything. So it's a very great like hydrating toner. I feel like it's not anything that is like overbearing for my acne or my skin, so I really do like that. And when it comes to the Glow Recipe Dew Drops, same thing. I love the consistency. I love the consistency. It doesn't make me like oily or anything like that. Now I will say, since using these, now I have changed my makeup routine, which I will share with you guys in a future video, but I've ditched foundation and just went with a few dots of concealer and then powder. But I've been getting a lot of compliments on my skin and on my makeup lately. Like people are like, oh my gosh, your makeup is so bomb. And I'm like, okay, maybe just because I switched from like using foundation to just concealer with powder, maybe that's what it is. But now that I see that this product specifically can be mixed with makeup and make it look better, I'm like, is this it? Is this what's been giving me, you know, like everybody been talking about? Has this been doing something for my skin? Has this combination been doing something for my skin? So I have noticed a big difference with people complimenting me on my skin and my makeup when using these. Okay, I will leave links down below to the product so you guys can go to Sephora, check them out, order you a few or two. And if your birthday's in June, definitely go. Today is what, it's kind of late though, today's like the 25th. Definitely go down to Sephora and get your birthday gift. Okay, get your birthday gift and try these products out. Okay, and then if it's not your birthday, I don't know if they have something different next month, but you can still go and buy it. Okay, so I'll leave links down below for you guys to go and check this out. But yes, I am amazed by these products, love these products, and definitely will continue to use these products. Okay, and with that being said, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video. Continue to glow.